For this space, we assign again, create similar. For here too, another one here, but not necessary for the bathroom and not for here too. I just try to check the CFMs. 100 for here and 120 for here. Okay, I'm trying to look how much we need for here. Estimately 23, and for here estimately 100. Okay, 24 by 24 is low, and for lower than 200 we apply 12 by 12. So we select 12 by 12. So we need lower CFMs. Okay, for here too, we put 100 CFM for flow air here, and 50 for here, and 100 is enough for here. So we align all of them like this by this one. It is better than they are aligned. Okay, I use Ctrl Z here with here, trying to aligning all of these diffusers. We put the supply diffuser. After putting the supply diffuser, it is necessary to put the rooftop unit. We used rooftop unit for here, for this project. I just try to do one level, so you use next one, you do this. From the this tab, I go to the level roof, sorry. In the level roof, I go to mechanical equipment, load family. So I try to import the rooftop unit for the ATC. It is the heating system is by gas, and we use package for cooling, and 3 times 50 tons. Okay, so we select it. Okay, open. Wait, exactly like this. Where we put it is best place for it. So I go to underlay section, then select level 1 for base level, and roof for top level. I change base to Planium L1. I can see this. Just a moment, I use level 1, and underlay section for I use lookup. I can select my rooftop unit and place it. I want to see the diffuser, and I don't want to see the CAD file. Okay, so I'm gonna hide it. I go to the mechanical view, filters, I select the rooftop unit here. I use a space to rotate it. Okay, I move a little to the left, and then I will align it. And I use a little space between the wall and rooftop unit. So I go to the 3D view to see what we have done. Now we align it in the elevation view. So the rooftop unit is completed. It is important to know that I prefer to tell you in the roof level, as you can see, we can see the axes of the architecture, so we have to hide them. Best thing is to go to the view, to the template. I go to the level 1. I did the settings for belong to it, and I go to the level 1, right click, new view template, M, underline, test. Okay, this is our view template. I try to relate it, and also I try to do it for the level 2. Settings will assign here, so we will see what happened. Now when I use mtest, you can see all settings have confirmed. Now we just need to move the axes for here and for here to the height, 3D height. And I'm trying to do it in the another axis. Okay, I save the file. So how much is good for our rooftop unit? How many tons we need? Between 3 to 50 ton. Which one is best for this? We try to do place the zones before, as you remember. I select the zones. You can see the amount of calculated cooling load. So we converted to the tone. Okay. Now our rooftop unit is I try to convert the units. Okay, so I go to the project unit and select the energy, search for the parameter. There isn't here. I go to the cooling load. I change the BTU per hour to the tone. Okay, so I return to the level 1 again. You can see it in the figures or tables, but I will explain it later. Estimately 5.6 tone. It is not approximate amount. When we try to assign for all these spaces, I use 5 tone. For level 2 is 3 ton. Estimately 6 and 3, summary 9 tone is good one. 8.5 we have this amount as a default here. So this equipment has been selected. Now we go to the draw a duct. In this section I will teach you how to automatically drawing and sizing with softwares, and I will explain all of these later and how to use them. I go to view 3D like this. I do it for level 1, so you try to do this for the level 2. After replacing the equipments, now it's the turn of the relation of them.